Hello, this is Brandon Scotthill speaking for Team 7. This is the demonstration video of our design prototype. So starting off here, we have the main screen, right? Easy peasy, we have courses, notifications, and we have a particular thing I want to talk about is the upcoming deadlines under a timeline graph. This particular design decision we decided to do over having a list of upcoming deadlines. We decided to have a graph that scales over time and shows you the different upcoming deadlines. So this can be particularly useful as you progress through a trimester, right? And you can also link to different assignments with the timeline, right? So we get to the Psych 101, assignment 1, right? Easy peasy, right? So that's a useful navigation tool. Another thing I want to talk about the home page is that the home page has actually changed a little from the original drawn ideas of the actual design, right? So this was the original main screen. You can see here there used to be lectures instead of notifications, right? And there used to be a burger menu, which now we no longer have this burger menu. We have a side navigation bar in actual courses, which you'll see later on, or you've seen just before in an assignment. We decided to not include this because it was a little too mobile-y for a desktop site, right? And it's more normal to not really do this in a desktop site, right? So for the home page, we don't have a sidebar navigation, but later on we have it always displaying a sidebar in assignments and courses, right? See here, right? Always displaying when you're in the course, right? Okay. So for the first enactment, we're going to enact looking at the marks for Psych 101. So you could do it a typical pathway of going from Psych 101, marks, and we're at Psych 101, we have Assignment 1. But you can also go from the home page to marks and see Psych 101, Assignment 1. So why that is like that key design decision, we decided to make the mark section of the site non-context relevant. This is so that users can look at other grades of courses when they're looking at grades from another course, right? This could be useful in a scenario of an end of year situation, or mark just simply come out at the same time, right? So when opening the mark section from a different page, it would open the corresponding tab, right? So if I was in stats 131, it would open the stats 131 page, right? And here we can expand it, easy peasy, we've got an A+, 95, and made up of different parts, and we have a final grade, right? And areas for feedback. Nice. So we also decided to have an A+ and percentage together for the assignment. This is because the information of having both is more useful compared to having one or the other, and it's kind of a simple thing to do mathematically, so it's just kind of useful to have that there, right? Okay, next we're going to enact uploading the slides for the course 1222. So in this situation, I am a lecturer for this course, right? So we go to lectures, add a lecture, we have slides, the slides, upload slides, and submit, right? Easy peasy. Cool. You'll note that the different buttons here are in a consistent place. So this is when a user has permissions to do an extra action that's relevant to an assignment or lecture, right? It will be there, right? And we also have more kind of global actions for the course, which are under a horizontal line, like clone course, right? Clone course, easy peasy. So that's to clearly show and for the user to be familiar where those extra actions are when they have extra permissions, right? Okay, next we're going to mark the assignment for 121. In this context, I am a tutor, so I can go assignments, assignment 1, we have submitted assignments, that extra button like before, and obviously we can't upload assignment, right, because we're a tutor, and we have a not marked in percentages, right? So that's really obvious for the tutor if they need to mark someone or not, and we have different parts and the feedback that we have to give, right? So it's nice, I'm going to put percentages and feedback, right? And complete marking, done. We've marked Bob. Easy peasy. Cool. So that's the end of the video. I'd like to thank you for listening through this long video. And that's it. Thank you.